Istanbul, a metropolis of 16 million people and several other Turkish provinces, has been hit by a powerful storm with gusty winds banning motorcyclists and electric scooters from the road and suspended classes in various locations due to safety concerns. Torrential rain lashed several parts of Turkey, with the capital of city of Istanbul the worst hit, as its world-famous Grand Bazaar was filled with the flood waters. After heavy rain, warnings were issued for 17 provinces, including Istanbul. The capital city received the expected rain. After heavy rain, warnings were issued for 17 provinces, including Istanbul. The capital city received the expected rain. Torrential rain lashed several parts of Turkey.